Hey guys, welcome back! Now this is the Artlii Enjoy 3, the budget-friendly LED portable projector that we'll be reviewing and testing in this video. It offers wireless screen mirror, Dolby audio, full 1080p resolution, and all that comes at the very reasonable price of $180. This sounds pretty good, and we'll be also testing how the projector performs in some video games as well. But first, let's unbox the Artlii Enjoy 3 and go over its main features. First and foremost, this is a portable projector. Weighing in at only 1.5 kilograms, this is as portable as it gets. The projector comes in this really nice quality travel bag, which contains the projector itself and all the accessories and cables. First we have the remote control. It's compact and simple with all the basic functions. Next we get the warranty card and the user guide. We also have the power cord, an HDMI cable and audio-video composite cable. So let's take a look at the projector itself. As you can see, it's safely secured by Velcro straps, which is really nice. The front of the projector is covered in this sort of mesh fabric. It feels quite durable and nice to the touch as well. We have the Artlii logo and the lens itself. On the side we find a menu focus adjustment knob. On the back we got all the ports, an AV port, a headphones jack, an HDMI port, 2 USB ports and keystone correction slider. On the right side we have the speaker, and on the top we got the power button and the other navigation buttons as well. On the bottom there are 4 soft rubber feet for extra grip, and something that we're used to seeing on the higher end projectors, which is an air filter that minimizes the amount of dust flowing into the projector. And now guys, let's concentrate on the specs of the projector and the image quality. As I mentioned earlier, the Artlii Enjoy 3 supports full 1080p resolution. The maximum projection size is 300 inches at a throw distance of 8.5 meters. We have built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, which is used for screen mirror. On top of that, there are also a wide range of connectivity options. But the biggest selling point of the Artlii Enjoy 3 is the portability. The projector is very compact and lightweight, and with included travel bag you can pretty much take the projector and all the accessories and cables anywhere with you. If you're always on the go, this is a great option if you need a bigger screen. So once we turn on the projector, we are greeted by the main menu, which is pretty simplistic and has all the multimedia options, input sources and all the settings. First, we'll test the projector with our Xbox Series S running GTA 5. The projector is approximately 2.5 meters from the wall, which is the optimal projection distance for this projector, and we're getting an image size of 80 inches. As you noticed, I'm testing the projector in a fairly well lit room, and still the image is really good with fairly deep dark tones and plenty of contrast. I've manually adjusted the focus, which was really easy, and I ended up with a nice and sharp picture. Another thing I noticed is the response time is also pretty good. Projectors tend to have higher input lag compared to normal monitors or TVs, but here it's definitely manageable and I had no problems even in gaming scenarios. As you can see, the image is sharp and you have lots of details, so all in all, at this price point you're getting a decent picture quality even in brighter environment.
another. What's wrong with you? What's the matter? That's crazy. Well, I'm dead. Law. I need the law. Hold on. Go on. Someone help this asshole.
The next key feature that I wanted to test is the screen mirror, which works without a problem on my Android device. So guys, as a conclusion, what can you say about the Artlii Enjoy 3? Well, first, let's not forget that this is a budget projector, but still the image it produces is really good. We have nice accurate colors with rich darker tones. The second key point is portability, and last but not least we have tons of connectivity options, image mirror as well, so there are dozens of scenarios where you could use the Artlii Enjoy 3. So if you like the product, you can check out the store links, which will be in the video description. Thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next video.